Mark Purdue is tax manager at Thomson Reuters. You and I have been talking for more than a year now about making tax digital. With the budget and with the Finance Bill 2017 draft that came out a week or two ago, we actually have some tangible detail in front of us now. So what can you tell me, what did we learn from the budget announcements?
The key bit of information, the most important part, was the fact that those businesses and landlords below the VAT registration threshold are deferred until April 2019. That was welcome news by many. A lot of the professional bodies have been campaigning for that, so that was very much welcome news. There's a little bit of extra bits and pieces in there, but there's still a lot of information which we still don't know the detail of.
A lot of that detail is going to come in by way of secondary legislation and statutory instruments. What are the key ingredients you're looking for that you need to have to actually begin to shape the software to handle all the processes?
In terms of the communication channels between us and HMRC, that's already sorted. We know exactly how we're going to integrate with them. A big thing we do not know is simple things like how profit is going to be calculated. Basis periods, overlap relief, items like that is still missing, and there's no information coming out of HMRC at all on those subjects.
And do you have any idea when you might get those steers?
Unfortunately, no. We have a very good working relationship with HMRC, both at a business level and a developer level, but there is no information coming from them around basis periods and overlap relief.
Well, we'll wait with bated breath for there.
Yes.
Again, even in the absence of the concrete detail, as a developer, what can Thomson Reuters do to help your customers and their clients get prepared and on board, to take them through the steps they need to get through to get onto MTD?
Late last year, we reassured all of our existing users that the desktop products that they use today will all be MTD compliant in April 2018. At last year's Synergy event, we also launched our Onvio brand, which is our suite of cloud products. At this year's Synergy event, we're giving a lot more information around Onvio Tax. It's now a product that those people who take part in the HMRC pilot, they can use, and it will interact with HMRC. So those Thomson Reuters users who take part in the pilot will be using Onvio Tax, Onvio Trial Balance to categorise those transactions, and a new product that we've launched today called OnBalance, which is a simple mobile application for those clients who don't currently have a solution.
Okay, and what's your attitude and what are you advising the people at the conference about the pilot? They've got another year, they've got a year's grace. Do you think sit back and plan it out more carefully, or jump in and see what it's like, the water's like?
Certainly our attitude is don't take the extra 12 months for granted and treat it as a period of grace. It's given you the opportunity of an extra 12 months to engage with the process and to learn the new processes, the impact on your clients, the impact on your firm, and to shape the new services that you'll be able to offer to your clients around this data.
Now, I was particularly interested when you made a reference there to OnBalance and the expenses capture app. The pilot starts imminently. Can I download and have a look at that?
It will be on the iTunes store very soon. But yes, it does exist, and here it is on my iPhone. So you can see I've entered some transactions, categorised expenses. It's got mileage tracking in there based on the GPS of the phone, and you can capture images using the camera and upload them to the accountant. So it's all of that's there today.
So world first at Synergy.
Yes.
Thanks for sharing it with us,
Thank
Mark.
you.